Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super cute shirt with a matching face mask. So let's go ahead and get started. Over here on Design Bundles, this is going to be the design that we're going to be using today. You can do it in white or black or even color. So you're just going to add it to your cart and download it and bring it over to your favorite cutting machine. So today we're going to be using Cricut Design Space. So now that I've uploaded my design, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it. So I'm going to bring it in twice because one's for a shirt, one is for a face mask. And then I'm just going to size those down accordingly. So for my t-shirt, I did about 9 inches wide. And then for my face mask, I can't remember, but I want to say 4 by 3 inches. You guys could probably zoom in there a little bit and see that. So that's it. And then all you need to do is hit make it, mirror this image, and then cut it out. So that's it. So let's go ahead and head on over to the craft room and make it. All right, so here are a few items we need: a face mask, a t-shirt, this is what you guys can see, that little white thing that kind of lifts stuff up. You can do a pressing pillow. I'm going to have my ruler, my mat, my cutouts, all of my things. So first up is the t-shirt. I'm going to take my lint roller and I'm going to go ahead and get off any lint that I see. And then I also have it on top of my Cricut mat, as you guys notice there. Now today we're going to be using the big one, which is a 12 by 10. So this is the bigger Cricut Easy Press. And like I said, I'm just going to lint roll these, get both of them while I can because my heat press is currently heating up. And then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and pull out moisture. Now, while your heat press is heating up, you can pull out moisture at any point in time. You don't have to have it all the way up to 300 degrees to pull out your moisture. So once I do that, I'm ready to find my placement. Today I'm going to be using my DIY ruler. You guys can also find this design over there, and I also have a video on it. You guys should see it somewhere here on the channel. It's really easy to use, so I'm just going to fold my image in half and then put it right where it says mid in the middle of that ruler, and boom, easy placement. And then now I'm going to go ahead and apply the heat 315 for 30 seconds. I like to give mine just a little bit of pressure. Once this is done, I'm going to let my design cool down. I like to get mine where it's almost cold and then peel it. It just makes it a whole lot easier. And then I'm going to flip the t-shirt and press it for another 15 seconds. Now, if you were using a heat press, you would do about 305 for about 10 to 12 seconds. So I'm just going to go ahead and press this for another 15 seconds. And that's it. Our t-shirt is done. I love it. It's super cute. This will be perfect for the next Christmas party. So next up is going to be our face mask. Now, when it comes to face mask, you really want something underneath there to get rid of those seams, because the seams is not going to allow you to get even pressure. So I like to use these little pads here. Now, this one that I decided to use that I thought would be better is actually made for sleeves, but it actually worked perfect for the size of this design. So I'm just going to go ahead and preheat my area, which also flattens it and makes it easier to work with. Put my design down, and I'm going to pop that back on 315 for 30 seconds, pressing right down in the center. Now, same thing, I'm going to let this completely cool down. You guys can't tell because I cut all that stuff out, but I definitely let it cool all the way down or it's going to try to peel back up with you. So now I'm going to flip it over again and press again for 15 seconds. So that's it. It's super easy to make these things, whether it's a t-shirt or a mask. And also remember, any sort of design, you can shrink it down and put it on a mask. So you can really use any of our designs to pull this off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.